In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down column in ClickUp, Custom Setup 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up a clean, reliable drop-down that keeps your tasks consistent and easy to sort. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your preferred method. You can continue with email or choose a connected social account. Either option works the same. Just pick the one you use most often so access stays simple. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, look to the left side of the screen where your spaces and projects are listed. That's your main navigation. We're heading into your tasks, so open the space and folder where you're working, then select the specific list you want to customize. Lists are the best place to add and manage columns because you can see all your tasks in a table-style layout. With your list open, move your attention to the top of the task table. On the far right of your column headers, you'll see a small plus button. This is where you add a new column. Click that plus button to open the field selector. You'll see a panel with different field types. Use the search bar at the top and type Dropdown or scroll until you find it. When you see Dropdown, click it to start creating your field. Here's what a Dropdown field does and why it's useful. A dropdown is a single select custom field that lets you standardize entries across your tasks. Instead of typing freeform text, you pick from a predefined list of options. This is perfect for things like priority tiers, stages within a sub-process, content formats, regions, or approval statuses. By keeping the choices consistent, you make filtering, sorting, and reporting much cleaner and more reliable. When setting it up, give your dropdown a clear, action-oriented name, like review status or content type. Add the options you'll use most often, keeping labels short and unambiguous. You can assign colors to each option to make scanning your board or table faster. Keep your color language consistent across projects, green for ready, yellow for in progress, red for blocked, for example, so your team instantly understands what they see. If available, set a default option to reduce clicks on new tasks and help prevent empty fields. After you confirm your choices, the drop-down column will appear in your list. Click into any task cell to choose an option and you're done. You've created a clean, structured drop-down that improves clarity and makes reporting a breeze.